Hello, you are welcome to the Poultry Site TV. Today we are discussing the importance of organic medication in poultry farming. If you really want to make it big in poultry farming, you must learn how to cut the cost. And one way to do that is by embracing the use of organic medication such as herbs, roots, and spices. In Nigeria and Africa as a whole, they are generally referred to as herbs. And we have several herbs used in poultry in Nigeria and Africa. Herbs, in generally, are leafy green or flowering plants with aromatic properties that are used for flavoring, garnishing food, medicinal purposes, and in some cases, spiritual issues. However, the use of herbs is not limited to humans alone, but has been used or found useful in livestock, especially in poultry and in organic poultry farming, where most of them are widely used as an alternative to synthetic drugs. Moreover, the use of synthetic drugs like antibiotics in poultry farming have been banned because of their prolonged use in chicken will induce drug resistance in a disease causing organism. With this in mind, the use of herbs in poultry in Nigeria has grown steadily over a decade. Notwithstanding, there are several potent herbs used in poultry in Nigeria. Some of these herbs have antibiotic effects. Some are used as vaccines, while some are natural growth boosters or promoters, especially for broiler production and in egg production also, in layers. There are over 12 herbs or roots and spices that are commonly used in poultry in Nigeria. Number 1 is scent leaf, 2 garlic, 3 turmeric, 3 black pepper, 4 ginger, 5 cloves, 6 bitter leaf, 7 cyanide pepper, 8 aloe vera, 9 dogoyaro, the one they call dogoyaro, but it is called neem. Number 11 is pawpaw leaf. Number 12 is Christmas melon, the one they call tajiri. All these herbs, all these roots, all these spices are used in poultry to either prevent, treat, or boost your poultry birds. Please join me in this video till the end. For today, we are starting with scent leaf. The importance of scent leaf, how to prepare it, and how to dish it out, and what they can cure in poultry. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share this video to other farmers. Help one another. Please share this video to more than 10 farmers in your groups, within your locality, and your friends. This will help each and every one of us to reduce the cost of synthetic drugs and to reduce the infection in our poultry for us to make profit. Thank you. Let's continue. How do you prepare scent leaf to be used in poultry? 1. The first step is pluck the leaf from your farm or from the garden. After plucking the leaf, pound the leaf. Either you pound it or you squeeze it very well to make sure that the juice will come out immediately water is added. You can see it here. It is well pounded. If you have a small grinding machine, depending on the number of birds you have, this is the fresh leaf. This leaf, you can see it, the fresh leaf here. This one is just plucked from the farm. See the fresh leaves. After gathering this fresh leaf, you can use your mortar depending on the number of birds you have. crush it to this level, or you can use your hand to squeeze it, assuming you have few birds. The number of birds you have or you have in stock determines the process through which you can use to crush it or to squeeze it. If you have 1,000 birds, you can pound it or you crush it. This is a mortar. We are using this for only few birds, about 100 birds. You pound it very well to make sure that you get the best from it. You can see it properly pounded. You can see it here. Watch it. After pounding it, this is a 25-liter water. This particular juice is going to be used to take care of 100 birds in under 24 hours. You rinse the juice to make sure that the juice comes out from the pounded leaf. Rinse it properly well to make sure that you get all the juice out completely. And see, this is 25-liter water. This is the source from the farm or the garden. Pluck it. This is the process now. You can see it. This is the juice have been filtered. You filter the juice. This is the drinkers. This drinker is 12 liters, I think so. This is 12 liter drinkers. You can see the two. This is where the whole water enters. You filter it very well so that the particles will not block the drinker source or the drinking source when the birds are taking it. Make sure that you filter it very well with sieve. Sieve the water. Make sure that there is no particle that will block it. You can see it. This is the juice now. You now cover it. After covering it, make sure that your birds are starved of water for some hours. Make sure they are starved of water for some hours. This will enable them to rush it so that they will get the best of it. Immediately you serve it on them. It is very fresh. See them now. The birds are drinking. They're taking. You can see how they are rushing it. You can see it. How they are rushing it. Now let's go to the nutritional values of this particular scent leaf in poultry. As they are drinking it, let's be discussing it at the same time. Scent leaf is rich in calcium, phosphorus, iron, potassium, and vitamin A. The oils from the scent leaf are known for its good source of antiseptic, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. And this is why it is referred to as fever leaf. Scent leaf can destroy bacteria in the body system of your poultry birds. It helps in digestion. It facilitates the digestion system and helps them to convert their feed quickly. It can as well cure other infections like lice in their body. That scent leaf has one kind of antiseptic aroma that takes or destroys or scares away lice from the body of livestock animals, not only poultry alone. As I earlier said, the scent leaf has the presence of antiseptic, antifungal, and antibacterial qualities. It is effective against skin diseases in the body of your livestock and poultry birds. Other infections scent leaf can take care of is cough, diarrhea, and can as well deworm your poultry beds. Both endoparasites and ectoparasites can be taken care by scent leaf. Scent leaf, when combined with bitter leaf, serves as a phytogenic feed additive and growth promoter also in poultry beds. Since scent leaves helps in the digestion of maize on time, it is very necessary to note that it helps in prevention of intestinal tract infections and bacteria, prevention of gastrointestinal and synthetic bacteria infections like fowl cholera, arthritis, staphylococcus, and other infections of upper respiratory tracts. It is also used to reduce secondary bacterial infections during viral attacks because it contains a lot of minerals and vitamin A. Give the medicated water immediately after preparation and don't allow it to exceed 24 hours. Make sure they drink all the water under 24 hours. Thank you for watching this video till this end. Please, if you like this video, click the like button so that the platform will recommend this video to other farmers that may deem it important in their business. Like, comment and share. If you have any question regarding this particular content, drop it on the comment section. I will answer it. Look and watch out for the next content on the importance of bitter leaf in poultry farming and how bitter leaf and scent leaf can be combined to treat infections in poultry and livestock in general. Thank you once again and remain blessed till I come with that interesting topic of your choice. Bye. May God bless you all.